Come on guys, we are using Gungo from the can. It's simple, easy, yet delicious. Come, let's make it together. Alright guys, we're going with 1 can of Gungo peas. Let me show you guys the ingredients. Water, salt, so you don't have to rinse off the peas. I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of coconut milk. Put a few cloves and some pimento seeds. Alright. Sprinkle some salt, sprinkle, and then we cover. I'll chop up this. I'm gonna add my tree stump. So we are going now. We're gonna add with scallion, thyme. We're going with a piece of butter. We're gonna pierce the pepper. I'll add that to the pot. Cover this. And we're gonna boil for about 10 minutes, and then we add our rice. Guys, we're gonna go in. Guys, remember, taste the liquid before you add the rice. I'm gonna combine this properly. Let's give it a good mix. Cover this. Once it starts boil, turn down the flame to medium low and let it finish. So I'm going for the rice. I move the tree stump. And I'm gonna fluff the rice. Need to find the pepper. Alright. Over this. And allow it to go and do its thing. Guys, do remember, if you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.